Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So we see this beautiful angled lob haircuts, absolutely gorgeous hair change. And then next we see this beautiful shaggy mullet style. Now if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up we have this beautiful bob haircut. Followed by another gorgeous bob. This one features the undercolor ombre trend. Beautiful face framing highlights. Followed by another long to bob hair transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous retro style bob. Loving the waves, absolutely gorgeous. And then here we have someone rocking the contrasting color trend. She has platinum on one side, all black on the other. Followed by this beautiful inverted bob style. This one features long bangs in the front, gorgeous stacked and cascading hair in the back. Next up, we have another hair transformation. So she starts off with a bob haircut. It looks like they shook things up with this beautiful pixie hairstyle. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.